Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on AI keyword clustering tool. This is the place where you can find basic directions on how to use this tool. You would need an OpenAI API key and basic keywords that you would be using. In this menu, you can click on Start Clustering to start it. In the settings, you can update your API key. To find your API key, simply type in OpenAI API key and you can go into your OpenAI overview website. In the top, click on settings. When you click on settings, on the left side you will find this button on API keys. You can simply create a new secret key here. You can name it anything. I'm naming it my test key. Make it a default project or anything that you want and simply copy this key. Now we will be going back to our sheet. We will be going into the settings menu and we will be updating the key. We will type in our open API key here, press OK, and it would finish the script. Now this is ready to use. In the settings, you can change the OpenAI model and anything that you want to. I'm leaving it on 4O mini. Now we are going back to the dashboard. It will show you the total keywords, total clusters, and every single data that is useful here. Now this is the basic keywords data that we have along with the search volume. So I'm going to use this. Now we have copied this. We are going to paste this in this keyword subsheet and we are going to paste these as values only. As you can see, I have pasted these here and now we are simply going to use these. All of these has different search volumes and these are random keywords that we are going to use. Now using AI, this tool will simply cluster them. So we are going to click on start clustering and it is going to run the scripts. Now here on this third subsheet, you will find the cluster name along with the keywords and also along with the combined search volume. So it will take just a few minutes before it would start giving you the combined keywords, the cluster name, and the combined search volume for all of these. So as you can see, it has already completed it. We have got 7 of these and now it is still running the script. So it will take a few more minutes and it would be ready to go. So as you can see, almost all of these are ready and this is showing us success that it has completed this successfully. And now it is giving us all of this data. As you can see, total keywords were 208, total clusters are 5, average keyword cluster is 41.6. It gives you all the data like last updated and everything as well. So this is basically how you use this tool. If you face any issues, you can contact us using the button on our website or you can use the report issue button on the top of the menu. Thank you. Have a great day.